Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Today I've teamed up with iSEE Hair and they sent over this beautiful water wave M-cap lace wig. Now this one is everything, literally everything, because she is a pre-everything wig and she also comes with these pre-styled braids. You guys know the water wave texture is super easy to maintain. The closure wigs are easy to maintain. This is an M-cap wig, so the cap fits like a glove. There's just so many perks to this wig. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the tutorial because I have a little one on the line right now calling me and she's not gonna stop calling until I answer. But I want to let you guys know that this one here is absolutely amazing. You already get everything done. So if you are a beginner, intermediate, or just don't want to deal with the fuss of a wig install, this is your girl. This is the one for you. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, love bugs, I feel like I have been looking crazy with my makeup, so definitely have a Sephora date planned because I don't know what it is by my face, but it's just like something. I think I've been wearing the same combination of things for too long, so I think I'm gonna get into makeup tutorials a little bit for the new year because I kind of want to play with my face a little bit when it comes to makeup. But today we are gonna do a hair tutorial. Stay tuned for 2025 because we're gonna be doing all things beauty over here on this channel. But today we do want to go curly. And do we know what this is? This is a water wave wig. I'm not sure of the texture. Oh, 26 inches. Okay. So it's 26 inches and it is water wave. So you guys know I love me a good water wave moment. And the fact, oh, it's pre-styled. Yes. So I love me a good water wave moment, and even better when it is pre-styled. So this one comes with the 2 braids. And what I love about this is that I just haven't been able to get my braids this perfect quite yet. So when it's like this is definitely like vacation hair. This is like show off hair. We are at the eve of Christmas Eve. So this is definitely something that I can put on, put my milk belt on every night, keep her locked and tight, and this is easy Christmas hang out in the living room hair. And for the bonus, this is a pre-everything wig. So let me show you guys. This one comes with a pre-cut lace. The knots are pre-bleached and the hairline is pre-plucked. You guys can see the curves along the hairline. That is like a scallop cut. This is going to give you a beautiful, really nice camouflage when you melt your lace. And not to mention it is pre-styled, as I mentioned. You go inside and this is what it looks like in the inside of the cap. This is a closure wig, so it's going to fit glueless no matter what, because I know it will, because this is iSEE hair. You have 2 combs here, and the nape you have 1 larger comb. There's a tag over top, and this is care instructions because not only is this a comb, it's a removable comb. So it tells you exactly how to use the comb, or you know, take it in and out. But it's very easy. There's like some little hooks or some like things, and you just kind of like slide it out and you can take it out. The ones on the side that are smaller are also removable. And then also there is the iSEE tag right here. There's no adjustable straps in the back, which I kind of like because depending on the brand and the wig, a lot of the times, a lot of brands, the wig fits snug enough to where you don't need that adjustable strap. Then here you have the beautiful adjustable and removable elastic band. It does say wear it and go, or wear go on it, and this is the wear and go technology wig, so that is why that's there. You can remove this if you like. Typically, one thing I like about iSEE hair is that they provide this red one in here, but they also usually will have another one, which I'll show you guys in the packaging should they have provided it. So if you just want the black one to keep it same, like plain, they usually have that one so you can switch it out. And then there is a tag on it, which you can just go ahead and remove. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the straps, and we are gonna go ahead and put this bad baby on, and I'm gonna give you the full deets and show you guys how she fits so perfect, because these are some of my favorite wigs because they fit like a dream. Okay, so before we get started with the install, I decided I'm gonna go ahead and quickly show you guys the packaging. This is the box from iSEE. It's nice and beautiful and large and sturdy. I love the pink with that silver like glitter shimmer technology, and then it has of course the gold iSEE hair logo. When you open it up, you will see much neater than this because I've already been through the wig obviously, but inside you have this nice tissue paper which says iSEE all over. It has their logo, Luxury Human Hair Collection, and this is super nice, and it just gives you like great quality packaging. And then inside you do get 3 extra items. You get your wig caps, which today they gave me 10. You also get this info card, which the reason I'm showing you guys this beginning opposed to the end, because this is all about the technology of this wig. So this says iSEE Effortless Beauty, and it has their information on it, and inside it gives you all of the details on this beautiful wig, and in the back it shows you the M cap construction, which if you've watched my videos, especially the ones from iSEE Hair, you have seen me display or try on the cap by itself. And the iSEE M cap wear and go maximizes lace size, minimal knots, match ear shape, movable combs, mimics forehead contour, mark of authenticity with the elastic band. And it says new era loading. So even right here it shows you the diagram of how normal caps will cover your ear. This one goes perfectly around the ear. There's just so many good things about this. And so here, this nice little envelope also has some things in it, and I will show you guys as promised. They gave us the black adjustable removable elastic band. Again, it comes with the red, which is like a mark of their brand, but if you want something a little bit more subtle, you can go ahead and switch to this one. I'm gonna stick with the red one. And then they gave us some extra combs. So they gave us double the combs, just in case you remove yours and then you accidentally like leave them somewhere, you have more. So that's that. Now we could go ahead and get to the install by starting off by putting it on. And look at that. You literally put the wig on and it's literally gonna take much of nothing to go ahead and just walk out the door. Like, it literally gives melt the lace, tinted a little bit, especially in the front, and you can literally walk out of the door. Let me show you guys the hair from the back. So this is the curl pattern from the back. You can also see the length. It's nice and full, but not too heavy where you're doing way too much. And then here is a look at the hairline as well as the parting. This is a closure, so you definitely want to go ahead and clean up your edges along the front. But I also love the fact that they braided the hair super nice, but they kept this hair out, so it'll cover that side really nicely. The wig itself fits super snug and glueless before you do anything. It definitely lays and fits like a dream. As I mentioned, this one has that M cap technology, so as you can see, it goes around and hugs the ear flawlessly. You guys know typically this kind of like will go over the ear, and this one just doesn't naturally go over the ear. So it's not like you're like tucking it or stuffing it behind the ear. It naturally falls behind the ear, but the most perfect comfortable fit. So let's go ahead and melt the lace. I'm gonna start off with my bed head, and this is a extra hold hairspray, and typically I just pull my hair back or the lace back, and I find the spot where I kind of want my hairline to sit, and I applied this somewhat generously. Especially if you have a makeup, you don't want to put too much where it starts running and getting everywhere, because it'll make the install look super messy. So kind of keep it in a straight line of where you want it, and then put the lace on top. So you see, I went back a couple times with the spray, and as quickly as I can, I take the lace and I just put it directly on top. And before it gets a chance to dry, you want to make sure you have it as centered as possible, and you have it like literally where you want it. And again, you will see a little bit of liquid there. I like to dab it off because it leaves a cleaner install when you remove that product while it's wet, because once you blow dry it or it air dries, it'll leave like that shiny sticky residue, and it kind of will make the lace look like a DIY project, if you know what I mean. So I went ahead and did that. From here, you can go ahead and blow dry it, or you can add like a melt belt on top. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just blow dry it on a cool setting really quickly, and then we can go ahead and tint the lace. And that's what it looks like when you dry it. Also, one thing you'll notice is that when you dry the hair, as it dries, it'll almost feel like a suctioning, if you will. Like, you ever like suction something, it feels like you're like vacuum sealing it, or it's like getting like tighter and tighter. And I don't mean tight like painful or like squeezing your head. You just kind of feel like the lace is becoming one with your head. From here, you can go ahead and decide if you want to use any hot tools. I feel like I don't need to, but I'm just gonna go ahead and fire up the electric hot comb just in case, because sometimes I like to take a little bit of wax and just kind of like go like that. Since it's already pre-braided, I don't want to use the comb, but a little bit of heat will give it that really nice salon finish. So while that goes ahead and gets hot, let's go ahead and pull out our lace tint. It is the eve of Christmas Eve. It is 6:30. My husband is out Christmas shopping with the kids. When they get back, I'm going to go ahead and probably leave out, because when I say I haven't done any Christmas shopping, I mean today for my bed, I did my Amazon shopping. My dad and my stepmom did amazing shopping for the kids. My godmother got them a bunch of stuff, and so I kind of just like been so overwhelmed that I feel like I need to vlog, to make a diary of my life, because it's just been kind of crazy and hectic. But I'm taking the Lace Tint, and this is the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation. Of course, it's on Amazon Prime, and I'll have it linked. I have 2 palettes here, 2 of the darker shades. This is 15 and this is 16. 15 is my go-to for my parting, and 16 is my go-to for the hairline. If you can kind of see, 15 for me personally, it's probably one of the closest palettes they have to my own skin tone. And then if you can see, 16 is a little bit deeper, almost like a contour shade. There's something about lace where when you go in, or it just me, I don't know if it's everyone, but I feel like when I go in with something that goes perfect, like a foundation color, it tends to look a little bit more light. But if I go in with my contour shade, it will look a little bit more flawless. So if you find yourself in the same boat where you're taking your foundation shade and you put it in on the hairline and you don't understand why it's not looking flawless, it's probably because you need to go up a shade to something that is more like a contour shade. And while I'm yapping, I'm gonna take the powder in shade 16, which corresponds, because I feel like I like the cream foundation because it gives more like a skin-like finish. But sometimes it just, every lace is different. You may find that you might get a cast, and so I put the powder over if I feel like there's a cast, or I also want to make sure that I set it so that, you know, that cream product doesn't move. And this looks flawless to me. From here I can take and put it on a melt belt, because I'm probably not gonna do anything else to the hairline. And excuse me, this one is dirty, but it's just a generic, no logo black one. Now I'm gonna give that a few minutes to set, and I'm just gonna go in like I typically would with any of my lace, and I'm gonna just do a little bit of product here. Now if you don't want to do wax, I highly recommend just simply going in with whatever styling product you choose to use for your ends, and it'll work fine. It's just something about the dynamic duo that gives me more of a finished look, in my opinion. Even when I go in and use like a mousse or a cream, I just don't feel like it looks smooth. It's sleek and shiny and finished up here like I like. Now be careful, I don't know if you guys can see, but right here I accidentally, doing too much, got a piece of that hair out of that braid. So you just want to be careful with using a comb next to braids in general, especially when they're already perfect. Don't ruin it. Now I think that looks pretty good. From here you can decide what you want to do next. You can comb it out, you can brush it out, you can literally leave it as is. Typically we call it like factory curls whenever you receive a wig, even whether it came from a factory or a store or it was handmade. Just the stock curls that come in a wig typically look like factory curls. So something that I like to do is almost like comb the hair out or brush it out, or just use my fingers like this to kind of like pull apart the factory curls. Like this here is the perfect look. It's nice and big and full, and this is how I would wear it, especially for daytime. So like going to the gym, doing mom errands, or even just hanging out in general. Like today we're going to lunch. This is how I would wear it. And then if I really want to get more of like a serious, not serious, but just more of a finished look, I would go in and define the curls. So I have been trying out the Flawless, what is this called? Flawless Curls Mousse, again from Tresemme, and it's not my first time using this. I'm pretty sure on this channel you see me use this a many a times. It's maybe been a year or some years maybe that it's been since I've used it, but I'm kind of just reintroducing myself to this product. When you go into your drugstore or your Target, you will find that Tresemme has a couple different types of mousse. Flawless Curls just made the most sense for my needs, and so far so good. Again, it's been a couple years since I've used it. I don't know why I stopped using it. I think I'm just biased because I love the Lotta Body and the Nairobi, and you kind of just apply it and get the look you want. You can for sure go in and use like the Denman brush to tame everything, or the unbrush, or the wet brush. You guys know I love all three. I feel like even when the curls are fluffy, having the ends be nice and juicy helps it to just dry in the most like perfect and flawless way. So I went ahead and Did my little big one. Mousse and water usually does it for me. I always go straight for mousse. I think I should try some creams. So let me know which ones are your favorite. But this is the finished look. Of course, it's gonna dry. It's gonna look very similar to what it looked like when I first put it on. Just a little bit more natural and relaxed on the curls because again, factory curls give a little ba-ba boom in the definition. Also, I want to mention, I forgot to show you guys, this one did come with a nice little shopping bag. So you get your box and it goes and fits perfectly, don't embarrass me, into the bag. So even though you're getting this in the mail, it's like a really cute shopping experience. I love that. Let me show you guys the curls once again from the back. And that is pretty much it, love bugs. As I mentioned, this is the perfect vacation, special occasion hair. A lot of us just don't have the coin, especially in this season, to go out and buy our hair, get it installed, and then still have to come home and maintain it. Because you guys already know when it comes to getting your wig installed, unless you're going to the best of the best, the lace don't last that long, which is why a lot of us prefer braids and individuals that when we go and get it done by a professional, we know we got at least a month to, you know, not have to do anything to our hair, and you can even stretch it 2 months, 3 months, maybe not 3, but you guys get the picture. When it comes to wigs, again, I just prefer a pre-everything, simple and easy wig. And what sets this one off is that beautiful M cap technology, so you don't have to worry about cutting anything off. My lace is laid and flawless, and then on the sides, I didn't have to cut anything off. The wig fits and sits perfectly, so you don't have to cut anything. You don't have to be a magician. If you are a beginner, buy this wig. It's already styled for you. And again, once the braids get old and it's time to wash and maintenance your wig, you'll be able to go in and just unbraid the braids. I've had wigs like this before where I was able to gently wash them and the braids still lasted. So you may get away with 1 or 2 washes without having to take the braids out, should you be nice and gentle, and then let it like hang dry in your backyard, on your patio, or in like your bathroom, so that way you can keep this style for a long time. And then once you are sick of this style, simply remove the rubber band here, unbraid it, and it's going to be the same texture and blend, and you can switch up the parting or do whatever you like. It's just refreshing to have a nice styled wig that is neat, professional, easy to install, and easy to maintain. So I'm going to go ahead and put all the details to this wig down below, and I'm also going to go ahead and let you guys go because I got to head out and do some shopping. I have no gifts from mommy, Mrs. Claus, for the kids. Everything that I have is on the way from Amazon, and it's the eve of Christmas Eve, so I gotta go ahead and do my big one in Target, Ulta, Sephora. And I was thinking about getting Dakota a Lululemon jacket. I noticed they come in like a 0 and a 2, and I think she might be able to fit into a 0. I think she would look so cute in the gold defined or the black defined jacket with the gold zipper. I think that would be really cute. So let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.